Hi, this is Danette again, and this is the second segment of a 5-segment series I'm calling A Time for You. Each of these is 15 minutes long, and each will have a topic around the Mindful Self-Compassion program that I teach. This is to support us, to support you and maybe others that you know may need it during this difficult time that we're all going through and needing some support. So today the topic will be, how do we approach mindful self-compassion? In the first segment we talked about what it is. So today we're going to talk about how to approach it. Mindful self-compassion is an adventure. It's more than a journey. It's got unknown periods and phases and outcomes. It's a lifelong journey. So obviously lifelong journeys do have adventures attached to them. So we want you to think about that. You're also a scientist, so you're open to whatever you find. There's no inherent bias going in as to what to expect or what you might want to demand or hope for. It really is whatever it is, and to accept and allow that to be each time you do a meditation or a practice in self-compassion, just letting it be what it is. In addition, it is something that you could be your own teacher. Everything that is talked about in the self-compassion program is invited. People are invited to make it their own. So if you need to shift something, either change the order, change the words, or maybe today's topic will not suit you that much and you just won't use it. The same will be true of the meditation. You can use what parts you like. You can let go of what you don't like. You can change wording if it doesn't match what feels right to you. So this is really about you becoming your own expert at how you practice mindful self-compassion. There really should be no struggle in this. If it's struggle, it's really not self-compassion. And it also is self-discovery. We want you to think of this as a time to learn more about yourself, the time that you take to try to be more mindful and more self-compassionate. So those are some of the ways in which we recommend that you try to approach the concept of mindful self-compassion. And today our little meditation is going to be Affectionate Breath. So let's get started on that. Find a comfortable place. Sit upright so that you have some alertness to stay awake and some respect for yourself. And then if you're ready, closing your eyes or finding a place to put your focus so that you're not distracted if you choose to keep your eyes open. Start to slow your breath down. Go into your body. Notice what there is to be noticed. Releasing tension if you can, where you find it. Breathing into places of discomfort, if you find that. And also maybe appreciating places that feel really good today. Ways in which you're enjoying your body and it's not giving you anything but positives. So take a peek at what's going on. Be kind and supportive to whatever you find while slowing your breath so that you calm your nervous system for this meditation. Okay, if it feels right, begin to notice the sensation of breathing within your body, and perhaps noticing where you are most aware of your breath coming into your body and leaving your body. Begin to notice your body swaying with the rhythm of your breath. You're letting it return to whatever normal rhythm it wants. And now perhaps noticing how your body is nourished on the in-breath and relaxes on the out-breath. If your mind wanders, as all minds do, and you catch it, just notice what your mind went to so that you can go back to it, and then gently bring it back to the breath. Now letting your body breathe you. There's nothing you really need to do. Our breath is natural and automatic, and it's with us from the first of our lives to the very end of our lives. It's our constant companion. Notice the feel of the rhythm of your breath. Perhaps inclining towards your breath like you would a child that you loved. Feeling your whole body with each breath and the movement and the places of stillness. You might notice that in the movement of the breath, similar to the movement of the sea, with the tides coming in and going out, the waves coming in and going out. And again, remember when your mind decides to wander off, you can just kindly and gently bring it back. It's just doing what minds do. If there's a sense of watching your breath, see if you can let that go and just be the breath. Just noticing and being. Allowing your body to be gently rocked and caressed by your own breath. And if you like, just giving yourself over to your breath. You're just breathing, being with your own breath. And when you're ready, letting yourself come back, releasing the meditation, coming back into your body and being exactly as you are, allowing yourself to feel exactly as you do, and to let this experience be exactly as it was. Just sitting with that for a moment. And then when you're ready, releasing the meditation and opening your eyes. I hope you found that helpful and relaxing. It's something very easy to do. Our breath is always around with us, so we can tune into it whenever we need to calm our nervous system and put ourselves in a more relaxed state. I hope that this has been a helpful meditation and topic for you. I hope that you will practice this at least once between now and the next segment. Only in the practice of it will you be able to notice whether it's helpful or not. And as you think about wanting to find out more about mindful self-compassion, remember the things that we talked about in terms of how to approach it. And if you're interested in taking a class, my next class will start August the 31st, either live or virtually, depending on what is going on. There's information on the website and on Facebook about the location and the time and the cost and everything for that. And I look forward to seeing you in the next segment of this. Okay, take care.